tell you guys what, it's really weird to come out front in the morning and your truck is gone. It's a really weird feeling. That must mean one thing. That means that yes, today we are working on the Tahoe. Wow, you can't see me at all. Yes, today we're working on the Tahoe. I wish I could say we were putting the spacers back on, but we are not. We're doing something a little more exciting. So hold on, let me pull this thing out of here. Guys, I'm super excited because today we are starting on the wheel lights. We are finally starting on the wheel lights. Now, to give you guys a little bit of a backstory, we've had the wheel lights for the Tahoe for longer than the ones I've had on my truck. So she got her wheel lights first, then I got mine put on. Now mine have broken, I've cut them off. I've gotten my replacements and hers still haven't been put on. And honestly, that's all because of me. I've been so lazy about doing this. I hate installing wheel lights, but it's content for you guys, and she's been wanting to get it done really bad. And secretly, if I fix mine on the front before I put hers on, she's gonna shoot me. So today, that's what we're starting on. Am I gonna finish today? Probably not, but this is what we're starting on today. Oh, I'm tired already. Haven't even done anything. So, just to give you guys a little bit of an unboxing, we are sponsored by Lighting Trends, so we do have discount codes in the description below. Make sure to go check out those discount codes. For her truck, we do have the double row Flow Series wheel lights. I'm super excited. She's gonna be really excited once we can get these on and get them done. The one thing that I don't like about Lighting Trends is they don't come pre-assembled. I know Oracle comes pre-assembled, which is pretty nice, but Lighting Trends is who we mess with. I mean, those are the boys up there at Lighting Trends. We've got the Lighting Trends Demon Eyes in our trucks, and we absolutely love them. And that's what we're gonna run. So today's mission, obviously I'm not gonna bore you guys with the entire install. I don't do installs on the channel really. I just kind of show you guys what's going on. But I guess I'm gonna get working and get started, and I'll just update you guys as we go along. Christina's off at the gym, so I've got the truck all to myself. Maybe we'll go make a Bojangles run or something here in a little bit. I don't know, but let's get started. You guys really think I was gonna be able to start this project and not go to Bojangles? Really? Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest. As soon as I said that on camera, I'm like, damn, that needs to happen like right now. I'm not waiting anymore. Wow. Sometimes I really impress myself with my decision making. A1. Hey, can I get a Cajun filet biscuit combo, fries and a large sweet tea? Yeah, with fries and a large sweet tea. No, that's it, thank you. All right, Alex, back to work. The one tool I was on the fence about. The one tool I was on the fence about taking from work and borrowing from work is the one tool that I actually really needed. So I've skipped forward. I'm all the way over here at the tent shop because I need a drill, and a drill is the one thing I did not take from work. The one thing. So now I'm here because I need that. What's up? Don't roll the window down. I was gonna like fist bump you through the window. Hello.
Excuse me, by doing that, you are cutting into our money making. We need to make this bread, bro.
Everybody likes bread. Everybody likes bread, but I need a drill, so that's why I'm here. My man Zach has all the tools. I think they're actually changing the head gasket on Cody's car over here in the shop throughout the, just throughout the days. So he's got a lot of extra tools over here. So huge shout out to Zach for coming through. He's got wiring, he's got everything. He's got a lot of stuff, but huge shout out. We need the drill to get back going with our wheel lights. So I will see you guys when we get back home. So let me tell you guys how my afternoon is going. I get 2 of the brackets mounted together and the drill dies. So that's, historically, things on this channel never just go smoothly. I can never just start something and finish something. It always has to be broken up into sections. I was never gonna finish the wheel lights today anyway. My goal was to get all of the rings mounted together and start getting the L brackets mounted on those. It seems like we're not even gonna get that far today, but just to show you guys, we are starting the wheel lights today. And I have a huge announcement on Instagram going on tonight. So if you guys see this, that would have been yesterday. If you guys have any 26-inch snowflakes and some 37s that you might be willing to trade, hit me up, because I might be willing to make a deal with you. On a real note, guys, which do y'all like better, Chipotle or Moe's? Let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to decide right now whether I'm gonna go to Chipotle or Moe's. So let me know in the comments where you want me to go right now. If any of y'all said Chipotle, I really respect y'all. Chipotle is very good, but I worked at Moe's for like 2 years before I worked at Discount Tire, way before I moved to Atlanta. Just for a little, backstory. For those of you that didn't know that, I did work at Moe's for like 2 years. So that's where I'm at. Pulled up to the Moe's, close to my house. I'm gonna go get me something to eat, because it's been a while since I've been to Moe's. This whole quarantine thing is so stupid. I don't wanna talk about it. Places are making you wear masks now and all kinds of just no. I don't wanna talk about it, but I'm running here to get something to eat. I will see you guys in a minute. I would try to stop and get her some ice cream, and they don't have the one flavor that she wants. It's like, that's, wow. So we dropped off the frozen yogurt. She wanted strawberry with brownies, and I made it happen. I had to go to 2 different stores, and now we're at Cookout, because she wants Cookout. These are the things that we do when your girl don't feel good, and you want to make sure she has a good night. Y'all see that Chrysler over there with the white wheels? The white barrels and the black face on it? That ain't too bad. That ain't too bad. I don't mind sitting in the drive-thru. Honestly, I like riding around and just kind of chilling. It don't really bother me. She's chilling at home, and I'm just riding around listening to music. Always a good vibe with me. So I've been reading a little bit of this book that Zach from the Tent Shop gave me, and the book talks about when you wake up and you continue to be yourself, you continue to stick with your consistent routine, you will never find yourself getting better results in whatever it is in your life. If it's physical, mental, relationship, whatever it is. Something as simple as waking up on the same side of the bed, waking up at the same time, little things like that. And I'm really working on different ways to just switch up my routine to have a positive outcome. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna wake up a little bit earlier tomorrow, start filming a little bit earlier, let you guys know a little bit more about this book, and we've got something really awesome planned tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thank you guys. I know the content's been a little all over the place recently, and starting tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna wake up early, really try and get back into my routine with some good truck content, some good lifted truck content, just some good content and good editing all around, get the thumbnails back on pace. It's time to get back to work. So thank you guys so much for sticking with the channel. We're on a 365-day goal. I believe today was 121, so make sure you guys stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's gonna be freaking amazing. Wheel lights have started. Hopefully I'll be done with them on the Tahoe by the end of the week, but I'll leave it at that. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm out of here. As always, let's get this bread.
This bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.